Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a GMC Sierra. We'll begin by laying down the foundational shapes, ensuring your truck has the correct proportions from the start. Think of this as building the skeleton of your drawing. Next, we'll lightly sketch the main body lines, defining the cab and truck bed. Pay close attention to the vehicle's stance and where the wheels sit. This is crucial for a realistic look. Let's get started on creating your detailed Sierra drawing. Now that we have our basic structure, it's time to add the exterior details that bring your GMC Sierra to life. Carefully refine the grille, headlights, and bumper, ensuring they match the distinctive front-end design. Move on to drawing the windows, door lines, and side mirrors with precision, capturing their unique shapes. Finally, add the wheel wells, tires, and rims. Don't forget to include subtle tread patterns for added realism. These details truly make your drawing pop. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're finding this drawing guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. On another note, drawing a cool truck like the Sierra makes you want a cool car, right? Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer for your ride. You can find the link to grab yours, along with other awesome deals, right in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the exterior details in place, let's consider the interior if your perspective allows. Lightly sketch the dashboard, steering wheel, and seats to give a sense of depth inside the cab. Next, we'll move into shading and highlighting. This step is vital for creating a three-dimensional effect, adding texture to the paint and tires. Finally, use an eraser to meticulously clean up any remaining guidelines, sharpening your drawing for a polished, professional finish. You're almost there.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.